Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to review all the products that I have emptied and I'm going to say if I'm going to repurchase this or no. So let's quickly get started. I've got a bunch of products right in front of me. So we're going to go in random order. So the number one product I have is by Vaseline and this is something it looks like. I have spoken so much about this product. Now this is by Vaseline and this is their Gluta Hya Dewy Radiant Serum Pin Lotion. Now, number one, I love this product because of the texture. It has that jelly consistency which glides on your skin so beautifully. Even in occasions like weddings or, when you go out for a party and stuff, what you can do is you can take like your highlighter, like a powder highlighter or your gel highlighter, whatever you have, just blend the lotion with the highlighter and just apply it on your body. It is going to give you that shimmer look. I have tried it and it looks so beautiful like that also, and on its own also it feels and looks so good. You can instantly see that your body is super hydrated. You can see that glowness. I really like this product and I can't wait to repurchase this. Number two product I have is by Dermaco and now this is something it looks like. Now, this is a Skin Renew by Dr. V, and this is their Skin Renewal Peptide Retinol Serum Cream. I honestly love the packaging of this product. And if you see, it comes like in this pump, and when you press it, the product is just going to come out. Now, it is empty, so the product wouldn't. So it is nice that you just press it and it's just going to come out. So I love the packaging because retinol, when it gets in contact with the air, it kind of oxidizes and then it will not work on your skin. So I really love the packaging. I like the concept. If you don't know, Dr. V is someone who has a YouTube channel. She is someone who curates her products. So she actually collaborated with Dermaco, who is in India, and made this product. So I was very excited to try this. Such a good product. I so loved when I used the product. Now it has retinol in it, right? Yeah, but I am not able to find the ingredients. It has retinol in it. I'm not able to find the percentage. I was using this and I had no problem with it at all. There was no scar or there was no acne, no breakout, nothing. So, if you're someone who really likes retinol and you want to get yourself introduced to it, then you can really go with this one. I would not repurchase it because I have found like an alternative to retinol, which is in Bakuchi oil. So, I've been using the Indivial Bakuchi oil. So, I kind of incline towards that. I like the natural derivative one. This is great. Okay, this is great. But then this also comes with a lot of restriction. It wouldn't suit sensitive skin type. It wouldn't, you cannot use it when you're pregnant or you're breastfeeding, so it's not safe. Retinol basically. But Bakuchi oil on the other end is extremely natural, so you can use that. So if you're someone who really want to invest in a retinol, you can go with that. I'm just not going to repurchase this because I have found a natural alternative, so that's the reason I would skip. Otherwise, it's a great product. So the next product I have is by Streaks. Now this is their Streaks Professional Virachi Gloss Hair Serum, and this is something it looks like. Now, I got introduced to this product by a content creator called Tarni. I'm very much sure that you would already know her. This one product is so damn good. All you have to do is just once you're done with your shower and you air dry it or blow dry it, whatever, you just have to take a little portion of it, like 4-5 pumps, and just apply it on your hair, and your hair feels so soft. It actually controls your frizziness. It gives like a nice shine to your hair. So I absolutely love it. Now this is like all gone and I can't wait to repurchase this. I would highly recommend this. Do not put this on your scalp because probably it would tend to become a little bit oily. So don't do that. But this serum is so damn good. So I really love this and I would highly repurchase. I mean, I would repurchase and I would highly recommend. When you're talking about hair care, let's talk about another product that I love. This is like my second bottle, and this is over. This is by Wish Care, and this is their hair growth serum concentrate. I am going to get my hands on the third one very, very soon. I'm just going to give a quick brief. This was something that was super viral on the internet, and I was having a crazy shit of hair fall. So, two things that I changed. Number one, I got like a hair purifier, that shower thing which converts the hard water to soft water. That helped. And the second thing helped was this one. So initially when I used this, my hair I got so many baby hair, like so many baby hair, that right now it's all over the place and it gets so difficult to handle baby hair. And I just got and literally now I have hair all over. And after the use of, I think I used it for over 2 months, and then I saw that hair fall also eventually stopped. I mean, where I would be getting about 100, 200 strands, I was just getting about 15, 20 strands a day. So this product really worked and I was so damn amazed. I mean, Wishcare any which ways makes such wonderful products. So if you're someone who has issue with hair loss and you want to work on your hair growth, you should definitely check this out. This is such a wonderful product. I would highly recommend this and I am going to repurchase it for sure. The next product I have is by 82 East. Now, this is their Mangista Mud. This is their clarifying mask with Mangista and flavonoids. This is something it looks like. Now, I'm just going to show you. I actually got a miniature because I just wanted to test it out. And look at this one right here. This is almost gone. Now, I really love the product. The only challenge I have is the price point. If this would have been a little affordable, I would have definitely repurchased it. Sorry. I would have definitely repurchased it, but this one is really expensive. But when you apply this, your skin feels so clean. Forget about the glowiness, forget about everything else. Your skin feels so clean. It's exactly like you have just removed all the gunk out of your face. It is so good. You just have to apply it on your face and just keep it. So I've got second thoughts about it. I wouldn't be repurchasing it right now, but in case I have like discounts in the future, I am definitely going to go and get my hands on it. It's extremely good. I really like it. You just have to keep it on your face for good 20, 25 minutes and just wash it off. And I can't even tell you. I mean, at the end of the day, I don't know. I just feel like, that your skin have to feel clean and it has to be clean, right? So this does the job. So I really like products which makes you feel like it have just cleansed your face and everything is clean out there. I know I'm over exaggerating or just using that word all over again, but I just want to tell you that it is not about glowness or it is not about, you know, anything. It's also about the basic, right? You have to get your base right first. Once you like clean your face thoroughly and your skin is super clean where all the sebum and all the gunk everything is out, and then you apply the rest of the things like the serums and everything, then it's going to work, right? So it is extremely important to clarify, to clean your skin, and this one really does the job. I'm just a little concerned about the price point, so right now I'm not buying it, but in case there's a discount in the future, probably I'll get my hands on it and I will surely update when I get it. The next product I have is by Acne Squad, and this has been such a life changing product for me. I saw this on an Instagram tweet by Siddharth. He was like raving like about this product right here. This is the Breakout Terminator Spot Corrector. I've just gone a little psyche. It's basically a breakout terminator spot corrector, and it has salicylic acid. So this is extremely good. So what I do is I usually take this when I travel, because every time you go to a different place, your skin is going to react very, very different. It's because of the climatic condition, because of the water, and everything. Because suddenly your skin is going to be super combinational, and then when you go to another city or another country, your skin is going to be dry or super oily, or you're going to be very, very sensitive. It just changes depending on which environment you're in, right? So I always carry this. So all you have to do is, when you have like a breakout, you just have to apply it on and just leave it overnight, okay? And next day you will see that it just subsides. This subsides, and over 2 and 3 and 4 days, that acne just goes away and it doesn't even leave a scar. So I was so amazed. And one time it happened that I had such a big acne and I just applied it, and morning it was all down and the gunk was out, and I couldn't believe. So this is something that I could highly recommend, and I am going to repurchase this. The only thing about this product I have is the quantity is like so much that I don't break out more often. So I probably share this with my brother or my husband, or mom in case they have a breakout. So I share it with them so that in case they have, then they can use this because the quantity is so much. And I think if you're someone who breaks out a lot, you can actually get your hands on this. This is absolutely a stunning product. Let's talk about my absolute favorite moisturizer. Now, this is by Dr. Shade and this is their Kesar and Kojic Acid Moisturizer. I've been using this for over 2 years, I guess. And this is like, I don't even know which tube I am in, maybe fourth or fifth. I so love this product. I like this because of different reasons. Number one, I love the fact that Dr. Sheth have come with a concept where the modern science is going to collaborate with Ayurveda. For example, this has Kesar and it has kojic acid. It has an active with an Ayurveda and it blends in, it does the job. So kojic acid is basically for your pigmentation, for your darkness and your, for all the discoloration that is there on your face. It really helps you with that. And saffron, you already know that it gives you that glowiness and everything, right? The Kesar. So blending that to end where you are going to make sure that your pigmentation is gone and then you have that glowness makes so much sense to me. And it also has alpha arbutin. Again, alpha arbutin is something which actually helps to get rid of that stubborn acne. The percentage, it's not written right here, but I would assume that it would be less than a percentage. But yeah, I really like this product. I think it does the job. It helps me with my glowness. It helps me with my pigmentation. So I really like it, and it's done. Okay, there is nothing in here. I have to get my hand on this one, and I can't wait to repurchase this one. The next product I have is a body wash, and we have to talk about a body wash, right? So this one, I'm sorry, but the condition again of I have tried so hard to maintain this one, but this one doesn't stay. Just look at the condition of this product. This is not the previous bottle, it's a new bottle, and just look at the condition of the product, and it's almost like gone. Now, this is the 1% salicylic body wash, and this is by the brand Be Body Wise. Now, if you're someone who has strawberry skin, if you're someone who has, you know, um, discoloration or pigmentation, this really helps. This is so good. It actually helps to remove the dead skin cell from your body. So it just removes the dead skin cell, and then when you apply your moisturizer, your body lotion and everything, it just makes sense. So this is like my third bottle. I've got like a bigger version. I had a smaller version, then I got a bigger version, then I got another bigger version, and I'm due to get another one. So I will highly recommend this one. Is absolutely stunning. It actually says that it prevents body acne and also exfoliates dead skin cell, like I said. Also, if you have body acne, you can use this because it has salicylic acid. It will just do the job. So that's something also that I love. Now we have our last product. Now this is by Dr. Sheth again, and this is their licorice and lactic acid peel. Oh my god, I so love this product. Before even I start, I'm just going to say that I'm going to repurchase this. This is all gone. Now, this has so many things in it. It has 8.8% of lactic acid. It has 2% of niacinamide. It has licorice extract. And it also has candula extract. This is basically for tanning, for pigmentation, to help you with your glowness and everything. All you have to do is just take like a good amount of this, apply it on your face as a mask, keep it for good 10 minutes and just remove it. So, you apply that walnut, that high scrub to remove your pigmentation and stuff, and it doesn't help. It just gives you like a temporary glow, and then you're back on track, like your skin feels worse, right? This one really helps. It has lactic acid, and that's the reason it gives you like even skin, glowy skin, and it does the job. So if you are on a trip and you've come back and you feel that your skin is super tan, you can actually go ahead and use this one. Just keep it on your skin for good time and just wash it off. Or you can also apply like a very thin layer of this on your face and just top it with a good face mask or your night cream and just go off to sleep and let it be overnight. When you're doing that, you can just apply like a little layer, a very thin layer. But when you're applying and just going to wash it off in 10 to 15 minutes, just apply a good amount on your face and just keep it on, and it will do the job. So, yes, that was about it. I really hope you liked it. If there is something that you personally love and you just go on hopping onto that product over and over and over again, just put that in the comment section below. Even I love to test out products and I love to read ingredients and see what's in there. So, I really would appreciate if you want to put your thoughts in the comment section. And with that, I really hope this made sense, and I was able to share something really meaningful. And yeah, if you like the video, you know the drill, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love, love.